Today I will teach you the S.C.F performance standard number 12. Find the increasing and decreasing intervals of a given function. Get your graphing calculator and type in y equals x squared minus 9, which is your first example. It will look something like this. If you choose not to use a calculator and graph it by hand, it should look like this. Make sure it passes through those 3 points. To find the increasing and decreasing intervals of a function, only pay attention to the x-axis. The point of intersection is 0, -9. Therefore, it decreases from -infinity to 0 and increases from 0 to +infinity. Keep in mind that increase is the same as up or maximum, and decrease is the same as going down or the minimum. Your next example is y equals x squared, x plus 4, x plus 5. Here's an example of what the graph should look like. You may have to adjust your screen to see the whole graph. To determine the increasing and decreasing points of this graph, you can use your graphing calculator. Press second, calculate, then you can scroll down to the minimum or the maximum. Start off with the minimum since your first point is decreasing. It's going to ask you for your left bound, you push enter. The right bound, you push enter again. Guess, press enter, and then it gives you your minimum, which is -4.5 at least. The left side of your graph would be -infinity, and the right side is +infinity. Therefore, your first decreasing point is going to be from -infinity to -4.5. Repeat the same process again to find the first increasing point of the graph. You would select the maximum this time. Left bound, enter. Right bound, enter. Guess, enter. And then it will give you your maximum point of -2.19, which could be easily rounded to -2.2. Therefore, it increases from -4.5 to -2.2. The last turning point of this graph is at 0, 0. So your final decreasing point is from -2.2 to 0. Your final answer should be written in interval notation. Therefore, it should look something like this. -infinity to -4.5 union with -2.2 to 0. Your final increasing point is from 0 to +infinity. Therefore, it should be written like this. -4.5 to -2.2 union with 0, infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. And if you still have any questions, feel free to email Miss Bush, and her email is bushm@manateeschools.net. Okay, bye.